welcome to our channel. The topic today we discussing is about the modification and changing in the diet pattern, which is helpful for the weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and very beneficial for some chronic disease. The topic of discussion is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the pattern of eating that alternates the period of eating with the period of fasting or reduce the calorie intake. Let's start and we share some detail about this topic. First of all, we discuss the time restricted fasting. Eating within a specific time window such as the 8 hour of feeding and 16 hour of fasting each day. And in second, we discuss alternate day fasting. This pattern is alternating between the day of normal calorie intake and day of normal calorie intakes and day of low calorie intakes. Eating normally 5 days in a week and restricted calorie intake for other 2 days. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have potential health benefits such as weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of chronic disease like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. However, it's important to note that it's not for everyone and individuals. You should consult with the healthcare and professional before starting any new diet and eating pattern. Mechanism of intermittent fasting is worked by the induced cellular stress, which triggers adaptive response that promotes cellular health and longevity. This is achieved by the reduced oxidative stress and inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity and enhancing the cellular repair process. Safety of intermittent fasting is generally considered safe or healthy, but it might not be appropriate for everyone. People who are pregnant, breastfeeding, underweight, and history of eating disorder or take certain medication should not practice intermittent fasting without the approval of healthcare and professional. While there are growing evidence to support the benefits of the intermittent fasting, more research is needed to fully understand its effect and potential risks. Intermittent fasting can be practiced in various ways depending on the personal preference and goal. Some people choose to fast for 16 hours each a day and eat during the remaining 8 hours, while others alternate between the days of fasting and normal eating. Intermittent fasting may be challenging for some people as are required discipline and adherence. Some people may find it easier to stick than traditional diet, while others may struggle with the deprivation that comes with the fasting. To get the most of the intermittent fasting, it is recommended to eat nutritious and balanced meal during the eating period and stay hydrated throughout the day.